Girl tips you need to know, perfume edition. Always keep some Vaseline around and put it on your wrist before spraying your perfume to make it last much longer than it would if you just sprayed it directly on your skin.
Looking clean isn't about wearing expensive clothes. No, 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 no. It's the little things people notice before you even say a word. And today, we're talking about them. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're sharing simple girl-to-girl habits that help you stay fresh, look put together, and smell amazing from morning to night. Some of these are obvious, but a few might surprise you. So without wasting time, let's get started.
And I'm telling you right now, I don't care if you have a cooch or a gooch. When you get in that shower, you better do more than one singular pose, okay? You need to get in the shower. You need to do the rotisserie chicken. And after you've done the rotisserie chicken, you need to stop. The water's coming on your back, right? You need to grab both your butt cheeks, rip them open, bend over, and let the water run down there. And don't just stop with the water. Soap on a rag, on a net, soap and water in your ass crack. As a matter of fact, every crack that you have, every single crack, crease, crevice, fold behind your ears, your belly button, behind your kneecaps. You've been running all day. You got up and did a 5K today, and you mean to tell me you think just standing under the water and letting the water run down your body is sufficiently cleaning your body? Get the water in your crack, okay? If not, I can guarantee you there's dry dookie crumbles in your butt right now. I don't want to call you out on it, but I can tell you right now, if you do not get in the shower and actually pull your butt apart and wash correctly in there, it's funky. I don't want that for you.
She said it in the funniest way possible, but she's right about one thing. Good hygiene starts with actually cleaning properly, not rushing through your shower. A lot of people spend money on perfumes and body sprays, but if the basics aren't right, no fragrance is going to fix that. So taking an extra minute to clean properly makes a bigger difference than adding 5 more sprays of perfume. That's just the truth. It all starts in the bathroom.
Let me give you guys a few tips that I do to make me look clean or put together on a budget. On a budget. That's the word. First things is to always have jewelry on, at least one earring, at least a necklace, at least a bracelet. Let me show you guys what I'm going to look like without any jewelry on. Without any necklace or jewelry, my outfit looks boring. Make sure you always have a lip gloss on. I don't want to see you with the dusty, crusty lips outside. Just imagine you saw me on your screen like this. Huh? Get a lip liner and apply that lip gloss on. Next thing is to always make sure you have your nails on. I don't have my nails on, so it looks a little... Just imagine I had French tips on, red nails on. Something very, very short and classy, very demure. I don't care how broke you are, make sure your hair is always done. But then enjoy a sleek mole back. If you have 1 week, make sure you always style it nicely. If you are going to do braids, make sure the braids is going to last a long time. Can't have any kills your bad tangle. Again, if you are broke like me, make sure you always buy things on sale. Zara things on sale, Shein on sale, Fashion Nova on sale, AliExpress on sale.
I like the fact that most of these tips don't require a huge budget. These are budget-friendly tips, okay? Clean jewelry, neat hair, moisturized lips, and clothes that fit well usually makes a stronger impression than wearing expensive brands. Guys, looking put together is more about paying attention to the small details than trying to wear everything that's trending. You can't manage that.
You don't always have to buy a lot of things together. You can just buy one thing on sale, come another week, buy another thing on sale. When it comes to what to wear, make sure you always avoid skinny jeans. I have bow-legged. My buttocks is very, very flat. The reason why you don't know is because I always wear baggy jeans. So try as much as possible to run from skinny jeans. If you are still trying to figure out your fashion sense, look for an influencer that you like her fashion sense and copy her style. I like Amy Okoye, but her things are very expensive. Pretty little things. I cannot buy the things. I get a picture of the things she's wearing, take it to Shein and buy it at a lower price. I don't care if it's just hair. Make sure Onya Shein is always shaved. Make sure you shave. Whenever you lift your armpits, let it be Koli Santo. I don't want to see any hair. Every 4 days at least, shave the hair out. Sometimes you can see the shape of your drawers inside your dress. Get yourself a seamless underwear, a seamless panty, a seamless bra from Shein. If you don't have money to buy things on Instagram, Fashion Nova, Zara, please go thrifting. Most of my things are from thrift. You're not going to know 40 cedis, 30 cedis, 50 cedis. Go to Makola, go to Rollins Park, go to Katamanto. The trick to thrifting is that whenever you're buying something, buy something you actually need. Not because it's cheap. If you see a dress that's 30 cedis, ask yourself, can I take the dress to the church, to the club, to work, to brunch? If you cannot wear it anywhere, put it down. Okay, ball and bashian. It's not every day that you have to buy a trendy dress. This dress is trendy, you are buying it. You don't need to wear a trendy dress. If you're watching this video now and you don't have Pinterest as a girl, pause the video, go and download Pinterest and come back.
In case you don't know, Pinterest is honestly underrated for finding your personal style. Instead of buying random clothes, you start seeing what colors, hairstyles, and outfits actually match the look you're going for. Okay, it saves your money and helps you shop with more intention. Trust me, if you don't know about Pinterest, you should download it right now. Just go on Play Store or your App Store, you'll find it. Just search Pinterest.
Every girl needs the Pinterest app. It's going to show you how to dress, how to decorate your room, what hair to do, the lip gloss combo. Everything is on Pinterest. And the last thing is to avoid slides. Slides is not for girls. Don't wear it outside. Use it to bath or sleep in your room with it. Keka Jepo. When you start wearing slides and remember me, put it down. Please, if you want part 2, comment below in the comment section.
I'm married and my husband goes crazy anytime I smell
Pause a bit, like, comment, and share this video.
delicious. And this combo is what you need, okay? This is all about layering. This is how you're gonna make your scents last longer, and also it just like feels much nicer. You get out the shower, you oil your body, and then you use a body butter. This is the new Sol de Janeiro body butter, the Delicia Drench. It's their Vanilla Gourmand. I thought the yellow one was my favorite, but I think this one definitely takes the cake. It smells so delicious. It has vanilla, orchid, and sandalwood, so it's like warm and spicy and sultry. And if you've ever had an issue with your fragrances not lasting all day, using a body butter underneath and then layering a perfume on top is just gonna increase the longevity of your fragrance. Kayali Vanilla 28. This also is a vanilla orchid scent. It has that warm, spicy gourmand scent that just smells so delicious on its own, but with this, just trust me on this one. Once you got the body butter all over you, you're just gonna spray a little bit of this. I like to focus it on specific areas. So in between the elbows over here, I love it right behind my ear and my neck, a little bit down the décolletage. Just, all throughout the day, you just get these beautiful whiffs of vanilla gourmand and just deliciousness. These are just the travel sizes. I'm definitely upgrading to the big bodies, but you can get these at Sephora. I promise you will thank me.
Okay, so this layering combination makes sense because everything stays in the same scent family. But what do I mean? When your body butter and perfume complement each other instead of competing, okay? The fragrance usually feels smoother and lasts longer. That's the point. And that's one reason vanilla layering stays popular, because it mixes easily with a lot of other scents.
Okay. This is my highly requested body routine video. I've been getting a lot of questions, thank you, about how I keep my skin looking the way it looks. Why not do a video talking about my current body care routine with you guys, because I'm very passionate about the glow. All right, obviously it all starts in the shower. I love the salicylic body wash from Naturium. Loving that one. I like to use some type of a body cleanser and then body wash. Kind of switch those out every so often, honestly. But when I'm done with my whole cleansing situation, at the end of my shower, this right here is liquid gold. It's the L'Occitane shower oil. This is a brand new one because I just keep at least 2 or 3 in my cabinet so I never run out. Changes the game. While you're in the shower, you put this on your body, and when you get out, your skin, before you even put lotion, oil, whatever, your skin is already going to feel so good and so hydrated, so cared for. Once you incorporate this into your body care shower routine, you're never going to not be able to have it in your routine. So don't try this if this is not something you want to have in your life forever, okay?
Now, what I like about this routine is that it isn't only about smelling good, it's also about keeping your skin healthy. Gentle exfoliation, moisturizing while your skin is slightly damp, and wearing SPF during the day all work together. Glowing skin usually comes from consistent care, not one miracle product, and not today you use this product, tomorrow you change, the other day use another one. No, you just damage your skin.
Once I'm out of the shower and my skin's clean, I'm not a huge fan of physical exfoliants and scrubs as much anymore. I like a liquid exfoliant. This is from The Ordinary. It's their salicylic acid body serum. It's 0.5%. It's just maybe like 2 to 3 times a week, specifically on my legs. It's gentle, it gets the job done. I definitely think sprinkling this in throughout the week has been really helpful in just exfoliating, getting rid of more of that dead skin. We all know about this body butter from Naturium. It's, she's loved, and it smells so good. This is their Glow Getter body butter. I love this stuff so much. As soon as I learned how to shower, my mother would make my twin sister and I always moisturize as soon as we get out of the bath. So like to me and body butters, me and body lotions, we go together like this. Super, super hydrating. It's lightweight enough to where if you're someone that's not a huge fan of the feeling of lotion, I feel like you would still like this. So glowy.
Another thing I notice is that every product here has a purpose. One cleans, one exfoliates, one locks in moisture, and one protects your skin. So building a routine like that is usually more effective than buying lots of random products you barely use. Okay?
I love this a lot. After this, if I'm feeling extra glowy, which is most days, to be honest with you, Taraji P. Henson's body oil. This is their Anything Glows Vanilla and Tuberose. Vanilla smells so good and it adds to the glow in a way that nothing else does. And then last but not least, if I'm going outside at any point in the day, this is the SPF I personally like. It's SPF 50 and it's a body oil from Saltaire. It has little sparkles in it, but it's honestly not very sparkly on my body at all. I have it on right now. It's just glowy, which I really, really, really like. I don't usually add this right after the shower. I normally will add this at least 20 minutes before I'm meant to leave the house. But yeah, that is my body care routine currently. Just love glowy, hydrated, happy looking skin. Glow guaranteed.
Now,
okay.
After watching all 4 routines, one thing becomes really clear. Looking clean isn't about looking perfect. It's about taking care of yourself consistently. Clean skin, neat hair, fresh clothes, and the fragrance that suits you will always leave a better impression than trying too hard. Small habits really do wonders, and they do add up. So I hope you picked up at least 1 or 2 tips you can add to your routine today. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that make the biggest difference. And if you enjoyed this girl talk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.